Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Google Chrome default language. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Click drop-down menu in Language. Click Add Language. You can select any language. Click Add. Click three dots on the right side of the language. Check Display Google Chrome in this language. Click Relaunch. Default language successfully changed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.